In my last video, I demonstrated how to use 9jaCoder with Python Pandas to extract data from CBN websites and to display the data as graphs. During the course of the video, we discovered that as the CBN data, the selling rate column contains spikes, data spikes, and that these spikes, selling rate jump by 200% in a day, which isn't possible, I think. However, today we are going to create an application using 9jaCoder and Pandas that we extract all data spikes and export them to Excel. So let's do that quickly. Open the folder, application folder. Let's open that, and the last data we downloaded is no more, so let's grab a new one. Remember, you need internet connection. Your internet speed and the data size matters. Good, okay, good. Exported, that is it here. Now this row, the first row, is very important. That's where we have the column headers. Now if you look at this, our earlier program, the US dollar, the euro, the South African rand, yen, and so on and so forth, we grab them from the currency field. That is the currency field. And of course the rate date, the date the transaction took place, from the rate date field. So today we are just going to, like I said earlier, help to export all spikes 200% and above. So we tell 9jaCoder that we are using Pandas. I don't want to press enter there because it will generate a lot of code. So just use this, and the function we are using today is called PD data variation. Of course, English, Yoruba, Hausa, data yato, Babanchi, Bayana, whatever. So let's get that. Now if you look at this, it pre-filled the various parameters so that you can know what to put there. Like under file name, I want to put the data file we just downloaded, which is exchange rate.data separated value. Then columns to export, let me grab them from here. I want the first 3 columns. Copy. Ctrl V, paste. And also I want the selling rates. These are the data I want to export to Excel. Okay, after exporting, do I want to rename the columns? Yes. I want to rename ID as row ID, currency as currency, rate date as date, selling rate as selling price. What is the primary column that I want to sort on? Rate dates. And what is the type of rate date? Of course, it's date. What are the secondary columns I want to sort by? I want to sort on currency, and I want to sort on comma rate date also. Data variation column, of course, we want to see variations that are taking place in selling rate, and we are grouping our data by the currencies. That's the currency field. So let's save that as export spikes dot 9ja. Save. Let's run the code. These are just Pandas error. Good. It has exported the file as Excel output, Excel_output_ exchange rate .excel. So this one is the XML Excel, and that is it over there. But we can't open it here, so we are going to open it with Libra Writer. But let's save this. We are done here. We might as well close this and go to our project folder. Now this is very interesting. All .9ja files have this logo or icon, Nigerian flag with Python superimposed on it. That is to show that these files belong to 9jaCoder. Interesting. So this is the file that was exported. Let's open it. Double click. I'm using LibreOffice. It's like Excel, so no, don't worry. Now let's zoom in. Okay, here is the currency field, the date, the selling price. So these are the spikes. The row, the currency, the date the spike occurred, the amount. Just 27 fields. So I'm going to save this, Ctrl S. Now we'll find out if I can upload this to my YouTube channel along with this video, so that CBN can do the needful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you support my channel, subscribe, and I also hope that you will contribute towards the success of 9jaCoder. I'm very hopeful that October 1st we shall launch the software. Yeah, Independence Day. That is my gift to our youth. So support. Send it to your senator, to your House of Rep, to your governor, to all many Nigerians, politicians, anybody, bankers that you know can support the completion of this software. It's a great software. It's going to help our youth. Once again, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.